Okay, let's get started by downloading and installing Power BI. To do that, go to apps.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Microsoft Store. Once you get to the Microsoft Store, go into Search All Applications. Let's look up Power BI, and we want the Power BI desktop. That's what we want to install. So select the Power BI desktop. Okay, so this will be the icon that we're looking for, Power BI desktop, and then select Get In-Store App. That will take us over here to the store. Let's give it a second to load. Okay, so I'm going to get this. Okay, so now it's downloaded. It took about 2.5 minutes to download. So now I need to open it. And that's it. That's all that it takes.